Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on today and share with you a few Tuesday morning finds. I didn't get a whole lot, but I just figured I would share what I found. I did pick up this Echo Park double-sided Easter paper because you guys know Easter's getting ready to come up very soon, and it was so adorable. It was $5.99, and this is the SKU in case you want to see that. But take this up, and I figured I'd do a flip through for you guys because it's so adorable. It has cut aparts. Here comes Peter Cottontail. Really, really cute. And then on the back of this page, it's double-sided polka dot. And you get two of each, it looks like. So you got this really cute pattern right here with the little rabbits. And then the carrots are on the back of that page. And then you got this page right here. And then on the back of this one, it's adorable rabbits. And then this one right here. This is such a cute pad. I'm really happy that I found it. And then look, on the back you got the gingham. Super cute. And then this one right here has the adorable little chickadees on the back. How stinking cute is that? And then we've got the little Easter bunny page with all the different color Easter bunnies. And then on the back of that is this right here, which has a bunch of Easter words on it. So I thought that was adorable. And I'm pretty sure this is the sticker sheet. Yep, this is the sticker sheet that it comes with. So this was a really a cute paper pad set to get. And it was $5.99. Has all those cute little stickers. So I'm gonna definitely be playing with that for Easter. And then I was able to find this Authentique, and it's called Sweetheart, and it was $5.99. And I just really fell in love with this paper pad. One, because it's double-sided, and then two, I just really liked all the papers, all the patterns. And it does have a sticker sheet inside, so I thought that was kind of neat as well. And I'll do a quick flip through. So this is the first page. It has that pink gingham. And then on the back it has the hearts. And then you have this page right here. And then it has the pretty floral. And then this side has hearts. And then it has that pattern right there. And then this side has polka dots. And then those adorable hearts. Really, really cute. And then we've got the striped paper. And then on the back of that is this pattern right here. And then this page has this, the arrows. And then on the back of that, all these cute little cut aparts. I especially like this one that says, I love you, be mine, forever and always. And then on the top, it has all you need is love. Super, super cute. And then this page right here is more like the gingham. Oh, this repeats itself. Yep, it looks like it just repeats itself. Yep. So really, really cute paper pad there, Authentique. And then I did find this paper pad, and this is Basil Bubble Gum, and it was $3.99. And it looks like you get 25 sheets. And I love getting this paper at Tuesday morning. I also got a pink colored one, maybe about a week ago. I didn't share it, but it was perfect for Valentine's Day. I've used about half of that stack, so it was well worth the $4. And then last thing I want to share with you that I picked up at Tuesday morning is this really pretty paper crinkled shred. I just like the way it shimmered, and I thought it would be pretty for Valentine's Day packaging, and it was $2.99. So that is my Tuesday morning haul. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.